In this video, you'll learn how to find your USDT wallet address on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to locate the correct deposit address for USDT, ensuring safe transactions. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the wallet section, which can be found in the main menu. After accessing your wallet, look for the option labeled deposit and click on it. This will bring you to a new screen where you can select crypto deposit. It is essential to choose this option because you need to find the deposit address, not the withdrawal address. Wait for Binance to load the address page specifically for USDT deposits. Next, you will need to select the correct network for your deposit. The available networks may include TRC20, ERC20, or BP20. It is crucial to choose the network that corresponds with the sender's network to avoid any issues. After making your selection, Binance will generate a USDT deposit address, which will usually include a corresponding QR code. To ensure accuracy, tap on copy address instead of manually typing it out. If the network you selected requires a memo or tag, only use it if it is displayed on this screen. Take a moment to confirm that the selected network is correct before moving on. After copying your USDT wallet address, proceed to the wallet or exchange from which you intend to send USDT. Paste the copied address into the appropriate field. It is advisable to send a small test amount first, especially if this is your first time using the selected network. This precaution helps to ensure that everything is functioning correctly and that the address is valid. Once the transaction is initiated, return to your Binance account, navigate back to the wallet section, and then select transaction followed by deposit history. Here, you will be able to view the deposit record for the transaction you just made. Open this record to confirm the network used and the status of your deposit. Once the transaction is completed, you should see the USDT balance reflected in your wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.